What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, and I'm back with another one. On this one, I'm going to be installing my ZL1 rock guards, and I'm going to be installing my Bwoody intake. I'm going to let you guys see what they look like. Maybe you want to order these in the future, but it's definitely worth it on your vehicle. Here are those mods. You got the Bwoody intake right here. As you can see, it's purple. And these are the ZL1 rock guards that I'm be installing as well. So I got the battery disconnected, the negative terminal. We about to get this thing started. Look, I'm gonna be honest. This is why sometimes you should leave this crap to the professionals. But we got it done. Let me show you guys what it looked like. So we got it all harnessed up. I'm gonna tuck this away later. We got the intake installed. Everything's secure. Everything's hooked up. You see the cover, it's a little dusty. We'll clean it off later, not really worried. Got that installed. Ran into the problem over here. I had to jimmy rig it. I'm probably gonna have to order a new part or something, take it to Dodge, see what's going on. So I'm gonna just zip tie it right here. But we had a little issue with that. But everything's good to go. So now I'm over here. I'm working on the rock guards. As you can see, I already have one in. Gonna finish putting the screws in. And we're gonna keep rocking. Trust me, guys, this is not an easy task. Installing that intake was a pain, I'm telling you. But you can get it done, just take your time, don't rush nothing, and you'll be fine. I'm gonna continue working on these rock guards. My guy Infamous is gonna pull up, and then I'm probably gonna take it around the block just to let you guys hear the whine with the new intake installed, so you can see and hear how it changes the whine of the vehicle. God, that thing woke that thing up for real. It was not that loud. Yeah. So as you guys see, I got the rock guards installed as well. It really will. Yeah, so you can see them. Everything turned out great. Like I said, supercharged sound way louder now. Get ready to get inside, go for a little cruise so you guys can see how it sounds from the inside. Now I can already tell from the initial impression that the car is way louder than normal in the stock form. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys hear it. Got it in sport mode. Oh yeah. Now we talking. That is way, way louder than before. Now we are talking. So like I said, if you're in the market for an intake, you can either pick the Bwoody or you can pick the leg maker. I went with the Bwoody because I wanted some color, but the leg maker is just as good. Put in make sure you get one of these. Either Leg Maker or Bwoody Performance. This thing sounds amazing now. So just gonna wrap this one up, guys. Until the next one, remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.